What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play Midnight Rider by the Allman Brothers. Such a cool song. I guess it's not for beginners. It's more advanced than that. Guitar is in standard tuning, except we want to do a drop D on the low E string. So tune the low E the same as the D string. Okay, and then we have the main lick. It goes like this. So that's open A to 3, 2 on the open D, back to 3 on A, and then full chord. Let's play D9. That's 2nd fret G, 3rd fret B. We have a G minor, and that's going to look like this now because we tuned down. So that's 5, 5, and then bar, D, G, and B string, 3rd fret, to C major. Guitar solo, we got a B flat major to C major. B flat major is 1, 3, 3, 3. It's a hard chord to play on acoustic. So it's 3 times. B flat, back to lick. Cool, and the main strumming. Midnight Rider. Okay, folks, thanks for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow, like always, with more classic hits. Stay safe. See you soon.